Hi, Eric. So let's walk through how to do this. So first of all, let me show you my key real quick. What I recommend you do, pause the video and then just kind of look through your answers just to make sure that everything is right. Okay, at this point you should have already been paused, should have already checked your answers. Let me show you the next page. Again, take a minute, pause your answers. Okay, cool. So now let's go over how to do this. So the way that you do the graph, first, what you really want to focus on when graphing are these values, when I'm circling all these values that you wrote down here. Specifically, you are going to be focusing on the mass number and the atomic number. So let's look at the directions. Again, you're looking at that for all of the ones in the highlighted circle. So let's take a peek at the directions. The directions say hold the paper lengthwise. What they mean by lengthwise is normal. I don't know why they wrote it like that. Title the graph. The graph, you could just title it atomic number versus mass number. Something like that. Labeling. Your y-axis, that's the one that goes up and down. Let me just mark this up. Again, y-axis is the one that goes up and down. The x-axis is the one that goes side to side. The y-axis, you're labeling it with atomic mass. You're numbering it from 206 to 238. So you're starting with 206 at the bottom, then you go 206, 208, 210, 212, 214, and so on. You're doing that for every line until you get to 238. For the x-axis, you're going to be starting at 82, and you're going to go to 92, and you're going to skip every other line. So you'll do like 82 for the first line, 83, and so on. Notice how I skipped that middle line. What you do then is you're going to plot your points. So again, you're using the points that are in that highlighted circle I showed you, the mass and the atomic number. Anything that went through an alpha decay. So for example, let me go back to that image from before. For example, like the first one. The first one goes through an alpha decay. So because of that, you're going to plot these points and put a red dot. But this one goes through a beta decay. So you're going to plot these points and put a blue dot, and so on. And once you do that, you're going to connect all the dots. You're not connecting them based on what decay there are, just to connect them all in general, in order. It should come out to be a really big thunderbolt kind of shape. But I hope this helps. If you have any other questions, though, please let me know.